Welcome to my channel, TechCrest. Here we review the latest tech products to help you make the best purchasing decisions. Before proceeding to the video, please subscribe to my channel. All right, let's get started.
Are you trying to figure out how to make your car's audio system sound better? A great approach to maximize your automotive audio experience is to install an underseat subwoofer. Underseat subwoofers are quick and simple to install and affordable, and they give your music the strength and depth it needs to come to life. The greatest underseat subwoofers for cars, along with their characteristics and advantages, will be covered in this video. On number 1, we have Pyle PLBX8A underseat subwoofer. The Pyle is definitely an option if you're searching for an underseat subwoofer that is both inexpensive and small. With this 8-inch subwoofer, you can enjoy powerful bass without giving up style or space because it is made to fit snugly beneath your car seat. The Pyle is a powerful speaker for its size, producing 600 watts of peak power. In addition, it has a low-pass filter that can be adjusted so that you may customize the sound to your tastes. The subwoofer is made of high-quality materials and has an inbuilt amplifier for simple setup and use. The Pyle PLBX8A's adaptability is one of its best features. It is suitable for a range of automobiles, including cars, trucks, and SUVs. It is the perfect size for people who don't want to give up trunk space for large, unwieldy subwoofers. The subwoofer also has a remote control, allowing you to change the volume and other settings without bending down under the seat. On number 2, we have JBL Bass Pro SL 8-inch subwoofer. Another fantastic option for people wishing to update their car audio system with a potent yet small underseat subwoofer is the JBL Bass Pro SL 8-inch subwoofer. The JBL Bass Pro SL is Class D amplifier, which can provide up to 125 watts RMS and 250 watts of peak power, is one of its unique features. This results to strong, distortion-free bass that gives your music depth and dimension. The JBL Bass Pro SL is a great option for individuals who prefer to maintain a tidy and uncluttered interior because of its low-profile design, which enables it to fit nicely under the front seat of most cars. The subwoofer also has a wired remote control that you can use from the driver's seat to change the volume, phase, and bass boost. Overall, the JBL Bass Pro SL is a great option for anyone looking to enhance their car audio system with precise and strong bass without taking up too much room. It's a subwoofer that produces excellent sound quality, is simple to install, and will give your music the push it needs. On number 3, we have BASS8 Underseat Subwoofer. The BASS8 might be the underseat subwoofer for you if you're looking for one that won't break the budget. It is a small, space-saving subwoofer that produces potent bass for the car's audio system. Due to its small size and provided mounting gear, this subwoofer is simple to install under your car seat. To create the sound you desire, you may also change the gain, low-pass filter, and bass boost on the subwoofer. The Boss is not the toughest subwoofer available, as should be noted. Some consumers are unhappy about the subwoofer blowing out too soon or the amplifier overheating during use. The BASS8, on the other hand, provides a lot of value for the money. The Boss is a viable option if you require a small underseat subwoofer and are on a tight budget. It's an excellent option for updating the car's audio system on a budget because to its strong bass and simple installation. So that's all for today's episode. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe to my channel for future updates.